In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw your money from Etoro step by step. Whether you're new to Etoro or just need a refresher on how to smoothly complete the withdrawal process, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in and make this as seamless as possible. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Etoro's website. You can find it at Etoro's official homepage. Once you're there, look for the Login button. It's typically situated at the top right corner of the page. By clicking on Login, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials, so make sure you have your username and password handy. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before you can proceed with any transactions. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Etoro homepage. This is your command center for managing all your investments, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with it if this is your first time. From here, you'll want to locate the Withdraw Funds option. This is typically found within the main menu, or sometimes under a specific finance section, depending on any updates or redesigns the site may have undergone. Next, click on Withdraw Funds. This action will open a new window prompting you to select the account you'd like to withdraw from. If you have multiple accounts or specific currencies, ensure you choose the correct one to avoid any confusion down the line. This step is where you're deciding which funds you'll be transferring out, so accuracy is key. Once you've selected the appropriate account, the next step is to click on Available Cash. Here, you'll be able to view your cash balance that's eligible for withdrawal. It's important to note that any invested funds cannot be withdrawn until they're converted back to cash by selling the respective assets. So if your available cash isn't as expected, double-check your investments. After confirming your available cash and ensuring everything is correct, you'll click on Continue. This will lead you to the final confirmation page. Here you'll see a summary of your withdrawal request, including the total amount being withdrawn and any associated fees. Go over these details carefully. It's your last chance to make any necessary changes before the request is processed. Finally, once you're satisfied with all the information, you can go ahead and finalize your withdrawal request. The time it takes for the money to appear in your bank account can vary depending on your bank's processing times, so do keep that in mind. And that's it. You've just completed withdrawing your money from Etoro. Remember, these steps are designed to ensure that your funds are transferred securely and accurately, so take your time to follow them carefully. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to leave any questions down below or share your own tips on using Etoro effectively.